EMS Magic Chair is mainly for pelvic floor muscle repair, postpartum repair, improve the urine leakage, and vaginal tightening. Also can be used for prostate of men.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will introduce about this EMS chair machine. This machine is mainly for pelvic repair, and also there is back massage on the chair. So when you do this treatment, you will feel very comfortable. And this machine, it helps to improve the pelvic muscle and improve the woman or man problems. Now let's see the working screen. First, we can choose man or woman. For example, we choose woman. And after that, we can adjust the power of the EMS. This power is for pelvic, and this power is for the back. And after that, we can start the treatment. The two treatments can be work at the same time. And we can see it has two functions. First, this one is for the pelvic muscle tuning, and this part is for massage for the waist.
The whole treatment is comfortable and totally non-invasive, no downtime.